Imagine creating a sport so powerful that it can shut down entire cities. A sport that makes billions of people stop what they're doing to watch a single match happening somewhere in the world. And not just that, a sport so massive that the World Cup becomes one of the most watched events in human history. Sounds impossible, but football did exactly that. So how did a simple game of kicking a ball become the world's game? And why did it succeed when thousands of other sports never even came close? Football is one of the easiest sports in the world to play. Think about it. Basketball needs a hoop. Hockey needs sticks and gear. American football needs helmets, pads, and a full setup. But football? You just need a ball, or even something that looks like one. A real football is ideal, but kids have played it with socks, plastic bottles, and even rolled up paper. That's the secret. Anyone can play it. Anywhere, rich or poor, city or village, young or old, it doesn't matter. And that is where football gained its first huge advantage. But here's the real question. If it's that simple, why did only football become global? The story goes back more than 100 years, when Britain was one of the most powerful countries in the world. British workers, sailors, and merchants travelled across continents for trade and work. And wherever they went, they carried football with them. Slowly, the game spread like wildfire. South America, Africa, Asia, Europe. Football was quietly becoming a global language. At first, other countries copied it, just a foreign game. Football stopped being imported and started becoming local identity. And slowly, it stopped belonging to one country. It became everyone's sport. But the real explosion came with one thing, the World Cup. In 1930, nations from around the world gathered for the first global football tournament. People weren't just supporting players anymore, they were supporting their nation. Football kept growing even before modern technology existed. Radio, newspapers, and pure word of mouth. Then television arrived, and football exploded worldwide. Suddenly, millions became billions of viewers. People from completely different countries, languages, and cultures, all watching the same moment at the same time.